How to download Android apps not available in your country. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download the apps that are not available in our country. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do that. So if you want to download Android apps not available on our country, the only method you can apply up is you can use a virtual private network to change your virtual location to a country where the app is accessible. So for that, you can go ahead and access Google Play Store first. Go to the search bar and search for VPN. There are different free applications available, VPNs, so you can just go ahead and do that. Install it, hit install, and you can change your virtual location to a country where the app is accessible. After that is done, you can head over to Play Store again and go to the search bar and search for the app that you're looking for. After that, go ahead and hit the install option like you normally do, and that is how you install it. Otherwise, if that app is something you don't want to use using a VPN, you can just look for an alternative app just like that and use that app. So for now, that is how you download the Android apps not available in your country. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.